What's up, everybody? Welcome back. I know it's been a while for the people who have been waiting. We're back. Let's get into it. Well, today we got a new bag. And no, it's not a nutsack. I'm not sure exactly what company makes this. It's a handmade bag out of Europe. I believe it came out of London. That's where it shipped out of. I'm not sure if that's where it was made, but I'm really happy with it. It's leather and canvas, and I got it in this camo canvas, and it just, I don't know, it scratches a little itch in my head I cannot get enough of. The camo with the old saddle leather, it's phenomenal. It's got really nice padding here on the back with this leather plate, and it's got these ribs to help with sweat. It's got these little hip bars. I mean, the hip bars aren't much, but they are nice if you need them. Everything's held together with these little pull-through buckles. They're not my favorite. I might end up changing them all out just because it is time consuming to get in and out. But all together, I mean, this is a beautiful fucking bag. And the way it's designed, I am wholeheartedly excited to keep working with this. I think this is going to replace my Dagon pack as my bushcrafting bag, but I'm gonna give it a couple months of good use, see how it holds up, see how I like it, but this definitely so far is taking the cake. It's got this nice little axe holder in the front. I love it. You can put really whatever you'd like in these loops right here. This one is adjustable, this one's standard, but if you got a longer handle axe, you can cinch it onto there. It will hang out through the bottom, so just make sure you know that when you're sliding a larger axe through, that when you're taking your pack off, there is the possibility of you smacking the handle of a longer axe on the ground first. It's got these two pockets in the front with these little pull buckles. They're decently sized. It can hold a roll of bank line. In this other one, I have some pouches holding little odds and ends. See, and this is what I'm talking about, where it's a little time consuming, but it still adds to the old school aesthetic. The old brass buckles are just phenomenal. They do have this leather patch right here, non-branded. There's no branding on any part of this bag. There's also like a small bedroll buckles on the top. It will not hold any of my blankets. It doesn't go that large. You could probably lace a bigger belt through here to get a big blanket, but I'll probably end up lashing it to the bottom. The bottom does have this large, thick piece of leather that has this gap in the middle that you could also store stuff in. It also has lashing buckles on each side with a water bottle pocket, and the water bottle pocket will hold a Nalgene. It's tight, it's snug, but it will hold one, and that goes on both sides. This is a little cross rope section. I haven't figured out a use for it yet, but it is always nice to have extra parts to lash shit down on. Back here you have the straps that go over your shoulders. These are padded just like the back is padded, and it is adequate padding. This is really nice. It's got leather chest strap, same buckles, same belt style that you'll find all over the entire bag. And you have these straps that go across, so you can really dial it in and adjust it exactly how you like it on your body. A nice little leather carrying handle, picking up the bag, moving it around. Now on the inside, same style, belt with these buckles. Pull that through, and you get this huge leather slab that you can use as a small table, work on if you're doing some sewing, if you're doing some flint knapping, whatever you need. You can use this as like a little table. It's got these little pieces right here that match with that, so you have your straps. Extra reinforced leather. All the stitching has been holding up great. It's really nice stitching throughout the entire bag. Now you get to the inside. This is when you get to see more of this camo wax canvas that I got, and it makes me so happy. You don't normally get to see old school aesthetics mixed with new, really nice colored camo. So it's really nice to get that little bit of blend between both. You can see it's got this little bronze blasted, really patinaed little zipper pull. I don't know, something about this little thing. Oh, you see that little wasp? But I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but it is nice. So you zip that open, opens up these little flaps. Now on the inside you get a little laptop sleeve, so you can have a laptop down here. It is up off the bottom, so you don't have to worry about your laptop hitting the ground every time you throw this bag down. It also has this back zipper pocket, just like on a nut sack, that you can keep little things in, whatever you need. And you get adequate space inside here. I haven't even filled it up yet, but I've got a whole blanket, tarp, cooking system, and some scrambled egg mountain house for a little meal out here. And I've got some knives and stuff I'll be testing out throughout the day and making videos for you guys. So this is a little overview of this bag that I have just recently got and started using. I'll keep you guys updated. If you have any more questions, leave them down in the comments. And yeah, that's about all I got for this bag right now. I'll be keeping you guys up to date. Like I said, if you have any questions, leave me some comments. Ask me as many questions as you'd like. I'll try and find a link so you guys can get yourself a bag like this. I'll try and figure out what company's making it. And it's good to be back. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe. It really does help, and it means the most. You guys have a good day.